Hi guys, here what you see is a transformer. You can see it is saying primary 253 volts and secondary 10 volts, and 1707 is also the option at 0.75 output amps. Now this is some different kind of transformer. You can see there is one coil and there is another coil, and both are connected with this type of core. Now I bought it a long time back to just check how it works. So at present I'm going to use this to make an electric generator. I think it's going to work well. It would be a little bit easier to make an electric generator because of its O shape. So yeah, let's get on with it. So guys, here as you can see that I've connected a 3.7 volts 40,000 mAh battery pack, and I'm going to use this battery pack to run this motor. And you can also see that I've connected this bulb in series. That is because this motor is 1.2 volts high current motor. If it is operated at 3.7 volts, then it will run very fast and it can burn again, and I only have this as the last motor in the small motor category, so I'm going a little bit slow on this one. And also if I will connect it directly, it will generate huge amount of voltage that is not required for the project. All I want to generate is around 200 volts, 200 to 220 volts to power up mobile phones and all. So yeah, let's do that. First let me show you what happens when I connect it directly. So you can see that one terminal of the bulb has been removed. Now I will connect it to the motor speed. Wait. Yeah. Okay, once again. Yeah, you see it's running very fast, and also it is going to come out. It's not designed to run at 3.7 volts. It's almost, yeah, it is more than double the voltage because it runs on 1.2 volts. It can damage the winding as well as itself. So for that reason I connected a bulb in series. So guys, here as you can see that the current intake of this motor is so high that it is glowing up this car indicator bulb. It is 24 watts and it is glowing. So yeah, let's test the voltage by connecting a multimeter over here. Yeah, I think this is fine. Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, at present it is producing somewhere around 198 at 200 volts. Yeah, I think it's enough to start. Yeah, voltage is fluctuating a lot. I don't know why it's fluctuating. Yeah, now it's a little bit stable. Let's disconnect it. I think it must be hot. Yeah, a little bit. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for similar video notifications. Also, do comment on what else you would like me to add to this present video. Best regards, Electron.